Good morning, everyone! Kasama ko si Kim. It's my second day here in Naga City. And right now, nandito kami sa Amaranth's Residences. I love the place. Cozy. Ang pinakagusto ko dito sa place ito kasi very accessible sa lahat ng places dito sa Naga City. Sobrang lapit lang. Like, andito lang actually yung school namin sa Ateneo. Plus, we're so lucky that nakakuha kami ng promo. Imagine, 100 pesos per hour lang po. Mabutan nyo pa yung promo as you are watching this. Dito lamang yan sa
Amaranth's Residences!
only here on
Amaranth's Residences!
may free parking, Wi-Fi, hot and cold shower. Amaranth's Residences is located here in Dimasalang Street, Santa Cruz, Naga City. So for now, kami magpe-prepare because we're going to eat our breakfast. And balita na lang namin kayo kung saan kami mapadpad later. Alright, let's see ya! So kami right now, ayan, nasa car na tayo and we're going to
Happy Grill.
Happy Grill.
I think yung nagluluto dun is dating crew ng Carlos, which is famous for its recovery food.
There's a lot of students na mahilig uminom. Students talaga.
Yeah, that includes us.
Yeah, especially this bitch.
I know! What are you talking about? Pass your papers! We are going to have a taste of college. For some reason, nung una, iniisip ko parang, ay, ito na yon. Parang, pero pag natikman mo siya, girl! Oh my goodness! Okay, so this is Amaranth's Residences.
Nabingi yung parking ko. Ang galing! Ang mera large sa akin. Na barbecue na lang din. Are you excited to eat?
Oh yeah, I am.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
How much lahat? Mababayad lang!
So this is Sid paying. Butt up, butt up.
So welcome, good morning. It's Mornings with Sid.
And King!
So what's in your bag? O LB yan ha. This is LB. Lazada bag.
Let us check Sid's bag. What's this? Oh, driver's license. And on London, may shipping. And this is
Chanel.
oh,
It's Chanel din. So don't freaking mess with me. Yeah.
and mag-ingat ka baka mawala. This is
Hindi naman yung original.
Okay, it still looks expensive.
Yeah. Ayan eh, the food. Oh. Small talk. Large.
And ano to? Oh my God, meron ka.
Yes.
How do you have this?
You know
while
what?
I don't have it? And some Tic Tacs.
Ang arte nun.
Tic Tacs. Tic Tacs.
Let us all welcome Inka Magnayan.
And some ano to, eyeliner, pangkilay. Okay. Ang cute.
I know.
So small. Yun nga, suotin mo nga. And some, okay. Connector, cord. So yun lang naman ang laman ng kanyang Lazada bag.
So that's it for our episode for today. But for now, lipat na tayo sa food section. Hey King, what are we eating today?
Okay, so right now we're eating Mara. So,
Compound
this,
nail.
and some barbecue.
So right now, nandito kami sa Ateneo reporting live. Charot. Nakakalungkot, ang dami na nagsarang mga establishments because of the COVID. Grabe, buhay na buhay ito dati kasi like, diba? Kindergarten school. May bago din palang building dito. It's Dormiville. Oh, Dormiville. And here's our school. Onward. Charot. Ito dati, ano to? Little Flower Computer Shop. Lalo na yan, oh. P. Santos. Diyan po ako na lumaki dahil dyan ang ng nursing. Yung gay store.
Oo, ang daming bumibili ng Yossi dito.
Hindi lang Yossi, alak din. Takbo tayo! Takbo tayo! Let's go! Miss! What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
Killing time.
And also, we're going to buy stuff na din for
Stuff
later.
that I never knew I needed.
Miss, what are you drinking?
This is Yamang Bukid.
Bakit may ganyan ka?
I'm just gonna try it. This is for body cleansing daw. I need to be cleansed.
Bakit?
I'm such a dirty person.
Oh my gosh!
May alcohol. Ikot tayo mo.
Where are we going to eat?
We're gonna eat at Big's.
Ah. Thank you. Ako, I'll have Cajun because I'm picking this Cajun. What are you gonna order?
Just spaghetti because I'm still full. Hi, good afternoon. Isang order ng Cajun chicken and then spaghetti.
Perfect. Namiss ko dito, very retro vibes talaga. My date for today.
Hello.
Ganda naman ang date ko. Si Inka Magnay.
Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Oh my God!
Ikaw ay
Kasusok God! Drink your water.
What did you order ulit?
Just spaghetti. Pero masarap yung spaghetti nila dito. So, by the way, everybody loves Big's.
I love Bigs.
Cajun one piece.
Here. Pengen din gravy, kuya. Picture ka lang.
Hindi naman ako.
Sabi ko, pipicture ko lang, oh.
Ay, sorry.
Where are we going? Clap, clap, clap. Starbucks.
Umingiti yung mata niya.
Pero paano yung ngiti ng mata? Ang cute ng colors ng jeans natin, no? Who's gayer? Another day, another Starby. Cheers. Yes. Ang ganda mo dun sa isa pa. Oh. So, ayan guys. So, right now, nandito na kami ngayon sa Avenue Plaza Hotel. We're going to check in. Kahit nakapangbahay. Nakapangbahay lang po kami. Ngayon kasama ko yung aking sugar mommy. Ang baba naman ng 27 daw. Ayan. Ano? Sorry. Ilang years na ba ang Avenue? 13? Wow. Ka-age ko lang siya. Charot.
Bata ka!
Alright. Shalana. Thank you, Marian. Thank you po. Alright. Sikang floor. Room tour! Bye! Hello! Hello po! Nakita natin sa CR. CR muna. Ay, ayan na sis! I love it! And of course, the beds. Quality sis! And ang view ay, wow! Bicol River! Ang pangit ng view mo. Pero maganda dito kapag nag-ano, di ba? Kanya Francia.
Oo. Swerte yung makakuha ng mga
Kapit amenities na sila with water, and of course, may coffee and lugar. Go to para sa ano to, di ba? Kapag sa pool. So, ayan. Tapos ang room tour. We're just going to take a rest. Kasi syempre, medyo napuyat tayo last night. Mamaya, i-enjoy natin yung amenities ng Avenue Plaza Hotel. For 13 years, they're serving Bicolano and actually Filipinos and the whole world, diba? With this 4-star hotel. Papahinga lang muna kami because really freaking tired. Ayan, siya mag-work daw muna. Okay, so bye. So, ngayon, I'm going to get the pizza. Kakain tayo. Pizza! $208. Thank you. Yun na. Barato na, masiram pa. Excited to eat this. Ibig sabihin pala guys, ang barato na masiram pa, it means mura na, masarap pa. Pizza House. By the way, as we speak, may nagaganap na interview sa loob ng room namin ni Ging. Kasi kasama namin si Arnel today. Sinong bakla? Delivery po!
Char.
RSG!
Pero going back to your question din,
Stop. Aliens!
Alright, outfit check! Okay, okay. Pinita ka gagawa! Yay! So we're going out. Saan tayo kakain?
Look for dinner.
Very elegant place. Pero di kami dito kakain. Bye! Bye, Arna! So saan tayo kakain? Sa Dad's All Day Kitchen. This portion is brought to you by
Dad's All Day Kitchen.
Dad's Kitchen. Sa akin, loco moco, tapos isang chicken cordon bleu. Yay! Let's eat! Woohoo! Okay, so before we end our night today, so magpa-pour muna tayo ng very night. Before we sleep, para syempre pag tomorrow, mag-feel talaga na radiant na yung skin natin. So this is sana Cellulive. Ayan, so this is a mask, hydrating and lifting sheet.
Bango!
So ang ginagawa niya, it restores dramatically younger looking skin.
Bango, girl! Oh,
Beauty vloggers tayo.
kasi mukha yun si Jaxie, ano?
So with that, ayan, magre-rest na kami ni King. Bye guys! See you tomorrow!
See you.
And good morning, beautiful people of the Philippines! Mabuhay for me and Gingging! So right now, nagpe-prepare kami for our breakfast. It's already 10 a.m. in the morning. And so magbe-breakfast kami ngayon. So this is from, again, Dad's All Days. Thank you so much. Akala mo sponsored. Ako I'm eating beef pares with extra egg na malasado. Ooh! Sige, kain na kami. Bye! Ta-da! Nag-swimming kami under the rain because unexpectedly it rained today. Alam mo yan? Hindi mo alam yan? Marina!
Nasunod ko na.
We're done swimming! Yay! We're going back to our room and magpa-pack up na. Picture tayo. And we're done. Finish na din tayong mag-empake. So right now, we're going home na. O, diba? Sad, but yeah, we have to go home na. Tapos hatid ko na to si Ging sa kanyang mga magulang. And then, yan, uwi na din ako papuntang Albay. Let's go. G!
Did you have fun, Sid?
I did.
Good.
Did you had fun, Ging?
I have!
Checking out. And pauwi na kami, guys. Ayan si Ging. Nasasapang na daw siya.
Oh, I had a lot of fun. Come
And
back.
crying.
I'm crying.
Yan! So, nandito kami ngayon sa bahay ni Ging Ging.
We're
And
gonna eat lunch. Meet Amanda.
hi, Amanda.
Say hi.
How old are you?
5.
Kay siya lang pala si Paris. Okay, anyway, sige, kakain lang kami. Bye. Pero, laing. Ay, hindi tita. Naku, favorite ko ang laing. So, ayun na nga. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog after ng kain namin ni Ging kasi more chika na kami ni Ging. Right now, pauwi na tayo ng Albay. So, we're going home. Currently driving right now. Solo trip na naman for 2 hours. Let's go! So right now, we're on our way sa CWC. It's Camarines Sur Water Sports Complex. Nag-detour muna tayo before we go home kasi na-miss ko din dito. Sobrang tagal na since I went here. Hanggang ngayon naman maganda pa din naman yung place. So walang ngayon yung recording. Sayang. I tried it pero nahirapan ako. Stress ako. Here's the pool. There are also benches here. Ayan. So, nag-order na tayo. Walang watermelon shake. Mag-relax ang very light. Ayan, so andito na yung order natin. Ating watermelon shake. Ayan, fresh watermelon shake. Yan. Going home na. Let's go! Thank you so much. Nakang content ko, hindi nawawala ng mukbang. Chicken nuggets! Mm. Really crispy. And now, we're home finally after almost 2 to 3 hours of travel from Naga City. Ngayon, nakauwi na tayo safe and sound dito sa bahay. I hope you guys enjoyed my journey travel sa Naga City with my friends. Special shoutout kay Ging. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin at sa pagkikipagkulitan. Sa mga bagong subscribers dito sa aking channel, thank you so much for tuning in at tatapos mo yung video na to. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and please don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking future vlogs and future uploads. So with that, see you on my next vlog. Bye!